Alright, going in. House has been completely ransacked. Say ransacked, we've dug up the carpets, took all the pictures down and everything, got rid of the bookshelf that was in the corner, and there's a big old spider there. Bloody massive. I got all this shit across here, burnt out candles. Some slithering gear still standing, but hey, no bike helm and shit like that. At least that radiator's on. Coming into the old dining room. Radiator's still on the floor. Everything is gone. That's upstairs, the picture that was on there. Fridge magnets. They're probably contaminated, but we do not care, apparently. Don't know if you can see, but out the window there's a bottle of Pantene. That was full. Coming in here, kitchen, bloody full. Someone dropped the scale, and so there is glass everywhere, as you can see. Luckily, shatterproof. Neil's cup for the coffee been helped a lot by that guy. Brought some water and cooker. The dog food that we never used anyway. Can't see it, but it's there. I'm not touching it without the gloves. All this crap in here. None of this is going to see the light of day again. And now, the bathroom that just got done out. Disgusting sink and toilet, and then the bath. Absolutely knackered. Everything is gone, and that is just because of the fucking flood. The sock stuck against the skateboard. That's definitely gone. Dog biscuits looking like fucking button mushrooms growing out the floor. Cupboards are not nice. The top one's fine, but we had to empty them out. Everything's to go. Going upstairs, there is no light at all. Except for what you can maybe see at the top there. Yeah, you can see some stuff at the top. We managed to get a lot of stuff upstairs before shit hit the fan. Just coming into my parents' room. This is well, our TV, quite small, but that's because the other one broke. Just suitcase with stuff in it and a towel, for whatever reason. One of the Christmas presents. Oh man, my school stuff in the corner there, because I needed to take that bag. Oh, my camouflage onesie, intact, thankfully. You can just see it there. Going around the house.
Shithead!
You're on camera.
Shithead, get down here now, we're going.
Alright. Yeah.
Come on, cupcake.
Screw you.